Welcome back to another vlog. I just finished shooting a recipe and that is what we are gonna eat right now, and with that I'm gonna make a little bit of mango shake. This recipe came out so good. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of sneak peek. Whoop. And yeah, I'm quickly gonna make a mango shake. We're gonna have our lunch. It is Friday. Happy Friday. I'm very excited because the weekend is finally here. And I think so you guys remember the mangoes that we got from Erickson Farm and we froze them. We still have them in my Ziploc. So I'm gonna use this and make mango shake. I guess we saved these mangoes to make mango shake. Once mine is done with his work today, I guess we'll go to Potato Brother because I need to get some stuff, and Hmart and Pet People. I mean, we have it's weekend, so we have like so many things in our mind that we want to do, right, Marvel? So how I'm making the mango shake is basically just mangoes. And I'm gonna add low-fat yogurt to it and blend it. That's it. And Marvel loves yogurt, so every time I take out the yogurt, he comes right here. Alright. Marvel, you're not getting any yogurt right now, baby. Don't start drooling. Here. Pani. Alright. So good. I did my laundry, and now because he's not in any meeting, I'm just here just to be here with him for few minutes.
You're drinking coffee?
Yes, I'm drinking coffee. You want anything?
No.
And yeah.
So now there is only rain.
Only rain?
No snow.
So basically today there was 80%.
It's gonna happen in Carolina, not Carolina,
but not in Cary.
Here. A little bit up more north.
Durham?
Not even Durham.
Ooh. So basically
Durham is like 20 minutes away.
The weather app said that it's gonna
we may get some snow.
Snowfall today. It was 80% chances, but now it came to 20, and then I get even less.
It's still 80%, just rain.
Oh, just rain. No more snowfall.
But tomorrow and day after tomorrow weather is very good. It's like super sunny, but then it's
cold.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
So I like that. Not this gloomy weather which makes me feel like
so lazy and don't feel like doing anything. I know. So I don't know what our evening plan is, but let's see.
We can go to Hmart.
Yeah.
We can go to close by places today, and then we can go to Potato Brother and stuff tomorrow.
Works for me.
That way we'll get enough time to do things. Otherwise, if we drive 25 minutes to Potato Brother and go to Hmart, we'll barely get 20 minutes in Hmart, 20 minutes in Potato Brothers.
I only have 3-4 things that I need from Potato Brother, so we can even go to this Suvidha.
Oh.
Let's see. we are ready and going out to get some stuff from Hmart. I need to get some fish and something for Marble, so that's where we are heading. It's very cold, so wearing all the layers and to right. No, it was just because I just suddenly came to the light. We are back home and we got something of my favorite.
No,
so basically,
and his favorite.
And Marvel's favorite. So basically we got fresh tilapia from Hmart. And look at that. Never frozen fresh tilapia. Ooh, I'm gonna eat fresh fish after so long.
Should I cut it like this or like this?
Like this. And then I got a big fillet of salmon. You gotta do it like this.
No, I need a scissors to cut the skin. It's on the skin.
Remove this green thing. So चाकू से कट जाता है skin. ये green चीज़ बहुत चल
धनिया है ये तो.
तल धनिया नहीं है. So I'm gonna and we are doing it like in two. We are doing it in 2 pieces like so. Look at the thickness of the salmon. Woo! So excited. And then we also got pomfret to make pomfret fry.
Oh, ये खोलने को बोला था. एक में एक ना?
एक में. I usually keep them in a Ziploc.
And then she can eat one at a time.
Yes.
Next.
Tilapia. And then this one is the pomfret right here. And he's cutting the salmon for me, tilapia. And also we got this chocolate castella cake, and this is the premium castella cake. I got my green tea and Marvel, wrong baby, Marvel, no! Oh, there's stuff in it. He was trying to pull it, and then he saw something and then he freaked out and he backed up kind of thing. And then I got this Korean snack. I really wanted to try what this is and how it is, so here is the pomfret. Ooh. Look at that. It's ready to fry. Just spice it up.
Looking at you.
Yes, looking at you.
You wanna practice holding a
Marvel.
fish?
No, I'm good.
When you go fishing, so you can hold the fish.
Oof, look at that. It's so pretty.
They clean it inside?
It's the gut is clean and it's descaled, so I just need to make slits and babe, don't roll the stuff.
Big bobo. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm grossing anybody out.
But yeah, I'm gonna keep one in the freezer and one in the fridge.
एक उसमें बड़े वाले में रख देंगे.
ये रहा. One just leave it in the. I'll just keep it in the freezer या इसी bag में.
नहीं, एक इस bag में करके.
नहीं, ये वाला. For dinner, we are making. I don't know what to call this. So basically, yeah, no. I know what to call this. This is cheese tortellini. We'll be boiling some of it. And we'll be adding lots of veggies like broccoli, onion, mushroom, sweet peppers.
And we are making the white sauce at home.
And we are making the white sauce at home.
And the chicken.
So, and the chicken that I made yesterday, I think I did not show it to you guys because I was not vlogging. But yes, I air fried a very delicious piece of chicken yesterday. So that's what we'll just cut it and eat it with that. That's our plan for tonight's dinner. Making the white sauce. We have all-purpose flour, butter, spices like salt, white pepper, and nutmeg, and what else, and garlic powder. And we added half enough to it. Look at the consistency. Yep, it looks very nice and smooth. Make sure it's smooth. And then we have some water here if we want to add it.
I am gonna add it because we are gonna add some cheese, which will increase the
thickness. You can add the mozzarella now, babe. Mozzarella and parmesan.
और पानी कितनी जरूरत है?
अभी नहीं, पहले चीज़ डाल के देखो फिर. इस वेजीज बहुत सारे हैं ना. मुझे लगता है डालना होगा तुम्हें पानी. बस. Look at that. Woo! Parmesan?
Hold on. That's it.
पानी डाल लो आप.
तुम्हें बताना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए.
थोड़ा सा और डालो जिससे कि वेजीज में अच्छे से कोट हो जाए ना. So traditionally you would add milk or heavy cream to it instead of water, but we don't want to make it too fatty, so that's why we're adding water. Salt डाल लिया?
नहीं, अब डाल दो. So we love a little heat, that's why I added a little bit of chili flakes in there, and look how beautiful it looks now. Look at that. And by the way, I have already turned off the heat. It's just the remaining heat from the stove itself that it's cooking in. Tanya is keeping the garlic bread in, and dinner is almost ready. And the last ingredient here. And that's it. Look at that delicious tortellini veggie pasta. It's time to serve.
I'm gonna taste mushroom and the pasta. Oh my god, it's so good. I think it's like literally Olive Garden white sauce pasta.
Broccoli is perfect for me.
Yeah, it's just less fat in the sauce. So good.